Morning and welcome, students. I am your social science teacher Namisha. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Today we are going to start a civics chapter of diversity. Diversity. In this chapter we will learn about the meaning of diversity, unity, reasons of diversity, tradition, region differences, food pattern, religious beliefs, characteristics of diversity in India, language, region, and festivals, dance and music, dresses, food, unity, art and paintings, case study, Kerala and Ladakh. Students, have you imagined that there is a garden with the flowers on only one variety, one color, and one size? Or if you every going to place in a earth in same manner? Would you like to eat? No. Variety and changes are the two important aspects of life. To try to change the situation, we all are have to find still have been in a stone age. So everyone needs a change and improvement from where it's available in the existing growth and progress and happens as we human beings as wish to find a new things that human qualities begin about the invention and innovation. So start students, we are starting that the meaning of diversity. Just look around your class, your area, and the other wearing and same situations. So have you seen that everyone is a wearing uniform? Your classmates have come in the different localities, different families, and many follow a different religion like a Hinduism, Sikhism, Islam, Jainism, or Buddhism. Some come are from the hilly areas, some are come from the plain areas like a southern part, northern part, and different languages you are speaking like a Bengali, Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Punjabi, Hindi, etc. These differences is called a diversity. Now we are reading that a unity. What is that unity? Unity in your classmates. Have you seen that? Have you stay together? You study together, play together. You have a debates, competitions against other section as one united team. Thus, you are the united together as even one. You have to follow the diverse backgrounds. In a nutshell, this what is an unity in diversity that we shall study more about this later in this chapter. So now we are just reading about, students, what is the reason of diversity. There are certain four reasons of diversity. The first one is tradition, the second one is religion differences, the third one is food pattern, and the fourth one is religious belief. So first of all, we are just reading about this tradition. Reason of diversity, the first one is tradition. Human beings prefer to live in a group. Look at your own house, own area, own locality, and on your family as well. In your family, you are living in the house, colony, in locality, district, in a state, in a country. At every level, people around make a differences. For example, your parents teach you to what to eat, how to eat, what to wear, how to pray, what to do and what not to do inside in your house and outside your house. They learn these things from the parents and then elder around them what is the built tradition and trends. This is the actually tradition you are using. Now the second one is religion differences. We have, students, some religious differences also. What clothes we wear, what we are in the influence by other people. In some religions, men wear turbans. Have you seen it? Yes, you have to seen it. In some religions, the men wear turbans. Some are wearing caps. Some are there wearing lungis and dhotis. Most of our dresses and food habits come from our ancestors. Those who lived in a hot areas wore headgear like a turban. So why they are wearing the turbans? Because to save their head from the scorching heat. Similarly, people who lived in area get lot of rain wear clothes are normally kept knee length so that they do not get a wet when walking through the waterlogged areas, race field, etc. Now come we are for the food pattern. This availability of food is particular reason also set a pattern of the food preferences. Like some people in the plain area Punjab used to grow wheat, so people are more chapatis what they made of eat. You also eating that chapatis? Yes. This is area which like a grows like a rice. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, etc. became rice eaters those who stays in the dry region like Rajasthan where a grains like a bajra was grown started eating these basic foods. These close to seas and rivers started eating fish and other did not have much agriculture produce around them become more and more meat eater. What passing this time such a dress, foods and patterns become tradition which related to people for region or religion. The last one we are reading, the reason of diversity, the last one is religious beliefs. Religion over a period has a long binding force among people. Different peoples have belief for the different form of God. These have different faith, follow different rituals. You are also doing the same and different customs. They have different pattern of prayers and all the lads have temple. Like have you seen that the Hindus go to the temple, the Sikh go to the Gurdwara and the Muslim go to the mosque and the Christians go to the church. So students, today we are reading this much. So only for this video in this here only. So in next video we will read again. Thank you so much students.